Myself, Dr. Mohan Kumar TP. Today, I'm going to discuss with you the subject called business research methodology. The session number 40 it is, that is univariate analysis. Once the raw data is collected from both primary as well as from secondary sources, and it analyzes the same so as to draw a logical inferences from them. In univariate analysis, one variable is analyzed at a time. Only one variable is going to be considered at a time. This analysis could be of two types, that is descriptive analysis and inferential analysis. Then what do you mean by descriptive analysis? It is largely the study of distributions of one variable. It provides with profile of companies, working groups, persons and other subjects of on any multiples of characteristics such as size, composition, efficiency, preferences, etc. This sort of analysis may be in respect of one variable described as unidimensional analysis. Descriptive analysis is also considered as, it is also called as unidimensional analysis. Uni means single or one. Here there are three types of analysis: univariate analysis, bivariate analysis and multivariate analysis. What do you mean by univariate analysis, which we have already discussed? One variable analyzed at a time is called univariate analysis. If we analyzed two variable at a time, it is called bivariate analysis. Very as simple as that. If it is more than two variables are analyzed at a time, it is considered as multivariate analysis. Multi means more than two. Univariate analysis, it is also called descriptive statistics we call. In descriptive statistics, as we all know, the range, minimum or maximum, average, that is nothing but mean, median, mode, variance, standard deviation, histograms, frequencies, all this is considered as descriptive statistics. In descriptive analysis of univariate data, its procedure deals with analysis of one variable, which we discussed earlier, and what the steps involved in descriptive analysis are univariate analysis, data analysis. Preparation of frequency distribution of each variable. Say for example, what the number of responses we received for one variable, how many times it has been repeated, and what is the number of responses we call. That is preparation of frequency distribution of each variable. Codes need to be assigned to the variable. It can be manual or it can be computed. Manual means we use the master table. In that we use the number of responses as and when it goes, like one tick, two, three, four. After that slash, okay. Then again one, two, three. Like that we are going to calculate in numbers. Finally, the total frequency is going to be calculated. It is manual presentation. The other one is computed with the help of computers or with the help of technology. If we use, it is computed. It is the best example. See how the frequency is going to be calculated. One variable, that is gender. In this analysis, only one variable has been considered, that is gender. In that gender, male, female. Okay, see the frequency, male it's 301, female is 113. The total frequency, the total number of frequency is 414, 414. This is the best example for univariate data, that with the help of the frequency. Then analysis of multiple responses. In the same way, the different the analysis with the help of, see here, instead of one we have arranged more than two, that is multiple responses with reference to the application, with reference to email, charting, drawing, okay, downloading, like that. There are many more multiple responses. So it is systematically gathered and it has been calculated systematically. Univar- Univariate analysis is the analysis of single variable because univariate analysis does not involve the relationships between two or more variables. Its purpose is always descriptive in nature rather than exploratory. It is always descriptive. Several techniques allow the researchers to summarize their original data to make them more manageable while maintaining as much as the original detail as possible. Frequency distributions, averages, grouped data are all ways of summarizing data concerning a single variable. See, all this data is going to be calculated with the help of frequency distributions. Univariate analysis is a continuous and discrete variable. It is always continuous and discrete variables. Sometimes it is a matter of debate within the community of scholars about whether a measured variable is continuous or discrete in nature. This issue is important because the statistical procedures is appropriate for continuous level data are more powerful. This is continuous level data are more powerful, easier to use and easier to interpret the than those for the discrete variables, discrete data, especially as related to the measures. Thank you very much for listening to this session. Thank you once again.